Good afternoon and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday. Yes, Taco Tuesday. This morning I left early to take Betty, my car, aka my BMW, to Roseville to see the doctor. She needs to see a specialist, aka the smog tech. So in the next week, Betty, my car, aka BMW, will need to see the smog tech. Yes. So, last night, I prepared chicken ricotta meatballs in a marinara sauce over a little bit of mini penne. Oh, it was very, very good. Robin actually really loved the meatballs. Unlike the recipe, the method, I baked the meatballs. Yes. I've had such bad luck with things like meatballs in the frying pan, so I decided to bake them. They were excellent. So, tonight, I'm cooking for me. I will be preparing coconut curry shrimp with pineapple rice. Yes, I've been looking forward to this one. So let's get to it. Got some hardware. Got a sauce pot pan for the rice, a Dutch oven for the shrimp and goodies. These are 4150 Rayleigh's brand raw shrimp. The 4150 means is 41 to 50 shrimp per pound. Minced garlic, yellow onion, or actually sweet onion, pumice olive oil, ginger in the tube, red curry paste from Super X Market in Linda, some brown sugar, some coconut milk, again from Super X. Robin and I went to Super X on Saturday. Some soy sauce, some lemon juice, some fish sauce. We'll dust this off with some cilantro flakes. Of course, a little bit of kosher salt and black pepper. And for the rice, we're going to be using some chicken stock. Obviously some pineapple, because it is pineapple rice. Some green onion and some jasmine rice. So, that is what is happening here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen today. There will probably be some changes here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen in the coming days and weeks. More to that as they come. So, on this day, some people would call it Taco Tuesday, but I'm calling it Shrimp Tuesday. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.